Today, you'll learn how to grow lines in Blender using Grease Pencil. If you are new to it, my previous tutorials will help you with the basics. Otherwise, let's begin. We'll start with a map root animation. Create a stroke using a curve tool in Draw mode. Then go to the Modifier properties and add Dash Modifier. Here, you can change the number of gaps in your stroke. And by increasing this parameter, you can go from small dots to longer dashes. To make this curve grow, we'll add Build Modifier. In Timing, choose Percentage Factor. Now, in frame 1, hover over the 0 factor and press I or right mouse click, Insert Keyframe. Then, on the timeline, I will go to frame 25 and drag the factor to 1. If you have the Auto key turned on, the new key will automatically appear. To make the beginning slower, I set the factor smaller in frame 10. But then I want to reach this turning point faster, so I'll make the factor higher in frame 15. With just 2 extra keys, our animation looks more interesting. To make this curve look constantly moving, go back to frame 1 and in Dash Modifier insert a keyframe with 0 offset. Then go to frame 75 and drag the offset to -150. And with that, the animation is done. Final touch. Select All in Edit mode, go to Stroke, Set Caps, and choose Flat to get that classic map root look. Let's move on to the next example. To draw a country map like this, I simply drag and drop a map screenshot as a reference and create a simplified silhouette using the Curve tool. If you drag and hit Enter, you'll set up a single curve. Instead, I hit E to extrude and go around the entire country map. After, I adjust each segment of the curve with these blue dots, and then I hit Enter to finish. By default, with the Build modifier, all strokes will appear one after another, in the order you created them. To add some time offset to the animation, I select each island in the Edit mode and hit M to move it to the new layer. After that, we go to the Modifier properties and add several build modifiers. Each time, we'll go to Influence and choose a different layer. This way, each island will have its own curve and timing. To make the lines look more interesting, let's enable fading. Once you adjust thickness and opacity, the stroke will get thicker and darker as it grows. Now let's make the line disappear. Here you have 2 options. With Shrink, the line will go back where it came from, and with Vanish, it will go in the same direction that it was growing. Final tip. The smoothness of your animation depends on the number of points that we can check in Edit mode. So if your animation looks a bit jerky, you have 2 options to fix it. Option 1, you can select the stroke or its part, right-click and choose Subdivide. Option 2, you can add a Subdivide modifier. Drag it to the top of the list and increase this number. And that's it for today. Next time, I will show you how to rig simple shapes to create animations like this. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you soon. Bye!